Class 7th, Subject English, Chapter 1.6 in a class of their own. English Workshop Part 1. Question 1. Read aloud the two conversations in this part. A. Between Mrs. Desai and her students. B. Between Asmita and Snehal. Question 2. Say whether the following sentences are right or wrong. A. There are both boys and girls in this class. Right. B. They never quarrel. Wrong. C. Their teachers never shout at them. Wrong. D. There was no unity among the students in the class. Wrong. E. Sushmita spoke to the teacher in a low, soft voice. Right. F. Asmita is telling us their story. Right. Question 3. Discuss the following questions. A. Why does Mrs. Desai's class like her? Answer. Mrs. Desai's class likes her because she is proud of the class in spite of the things that teachers worry about. She likes their unity. She addresses them respectfully and lovingly. She was sorry for their poor result but didn't scold or punish them. She still wanted to be proud of them. The class liked this kind attitude of their teacher. B. Should Mrs. Desai have been angry or unhappy? Answer. Yes, because students for her class did not do well in the test and some of them had not appeared for the test. Question 4. Use the information to make meaningful sentences using the following adverbs. Answer. A. Always. 1. I always tell the truth to my parents. 2. I always study in the morning. B. Regularly. 1. I go to school regularly. 2. I do my homework regularly. C. Sometimes. 1. Sometimes I help my mother in the kitchen. 2. Sometimes I play games with my family. D. Never. 1. I never lie to my parents. 2. I never go out with friends without permission of my parents. You may also make any other sentences using these adverbs. A. Always. 1. The bees are always busy. 2. I always see an old lady in Buddha temple. B. Regularly. 1. We take exercise regularly. 2. My father attends parents' meeting regularly. C. Sometimes. 1. Sometimes mother prepared gulab jamun at home. 2. Sometimes the electricity in our area goes off. D. Never. 1. He never makes mischief in the class. 2. We are never late to school. Question 5. Write the following words in the appropriate places to complete the following tables. I, myself, you, yourself, we, ourselves, you, yourselves, he, himself, it, itself, she, herself, they, themselves. Question 6. Say the alphabet from A to Z. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Divide them into groups of rhyming letters. For example, Q, U, W are rhyming letters that end with the U sound. Did you find a rhyming letter for each of the 26 letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Answer A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, P, T, V are rhyming letters that end with I means E sound. J, K are rhyming letters that end with J, K sound. S, X are rhyming letters that end with X, X sound. No other letters rhyme with each other.